don't touch me, no. Got a nice drip, I'm gold. I'm new school, you old. I drip so hard, I bold.
I'm still getting shit about the social market. People are sitting up, people are doing the most, people are doing whatever they want to do. Yes, what's happening? You're going to happening up the year. What's up? Yeah, what's happening, guys? Hey, guys, big. I'm here for the gym. Oh, ask me how. I knew it. This guy's gonna ask me how. Hey, how are you, my nigga? So what you guys doing here today? You doing hapless?
Yeah.
And what you guys called? What are you guys called?
Habli guy.
Habli guys in the building. Where's the happy life, yo? Where's the happy, dog? Where's the happy, dog? And what are you doing, my guy?
Cell phone protein.
What?
Yeah.
Are you being for real? Look at my phone. Can I get a free one? This nigga's gonna... So how much is it? 150 and... I white. And you guys?
Hi, Mulo has a cream.
Mulo.
I'm having shower gel.
See again,
Bubble bath.
and I'm going to bath now. How much is it?
20 and they go 20. Here the price is here.
Yeah, I must get some. I'm going to bath. I'm going to go bath
no
with it
problem.
and find out how it's doing. I'm going to come cop a bottle now. No? Yeah, I'm going to bath in this cup. Yep. You see, I'm buying. I'm not even asking. Which one do you shower gel like from butter? Are you going to see it? I got the yellow. One time I fish oil. Yeah, fish oil. I want to come back. Hook up. And I'm in face. I found you on the phone. I'm in my thing. So, my dad, what you doing?
The bottle is 6 rand.
Yeah.
$10, $15.
So 5 liters, 4 liters.
It's $5.
$15. Oh, it's cheap, guys. Let me just show you. And it looks much better than the other 5 liters. Eh? And this?
That one, you can bring a cup, your own. I can refill for you, 50 cents. But a liter is 1 rand.
You are doing the most. Guys, now this is water at the party. When you feel like you're getting thirsty, digitano. And how much is a small bottle? I must get a small bottle for myself.
$6.
Can I have a bottle, please?
Thank you.
Please, can I have a bottle, please? Also, I'm going to take a card. I'm going to come and get something to eat, né? This looks so appetizing. My name is Nakisani, né? I'm going to put you on my vlog. What's happening? Any minute that you're going, I can browse, you know.
This is Mkheys Pizzas and pastry. We are so here.
So, we'll do a pizza.
There's
Okay, cool. We're going to wait for the pizzas. And I'm going to pizza.
large.
So, you're selling this. And how much is it a glass?
It's 20 rand. It's 5 rand.
Guys, please come take this. I just said you have to give a bag to someone else. So, I bought a mirror.
We are busy selling perfumes here.
Yeah.
So these are brands that we find in Edgar's.
Yeah.
So the only difference is that we mix it ourselves.
Oh.
So any perfume that you know we have got. So this is our 30 ml bottle.
How much is this?
It's 150.
Yeah.
This is our bigger bottle.
Oh, this one is bigger than that one, eh? How's the sauce coming up, though? So how much do you sell teachers for normally? Yeah?
180 and 200.
That's so nice, bro. This is the future. Dirty sauce up in this. Are we?
Fly, you can take it down. You gon' make it. Song sell a soul for the money.